Welcome to Lesson 4. Today we're going to learn the white keys F, G, A, and B. And they are located near the three black keys, the group of three black keys. So if you go down to the keyboard, you'll see the group of three black keys, and the white key to the left of the first black key is your F. So you have F, G, A, and B. So starting with the right hand, using fingers 2, 3, 4, and 5, we're going to play F, G, and A, and B, going up to the right. So here's my group of three black keys, and here's my F. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. Now go back to center. We found our group of three black keys, and we're going to play our F, G, A, B's going to the left, going down. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. Make sure you're using your pinky on the F, your ring finger on the G, your middle finger on A, and your pointer finger on B. So you can practice that a few times going up and going down the keyboard. Now we're going to talk about transposition. You learned Merrily, We Roll Along back in Lesson 3 using the notes C, D, and E. Today we're going to transpose it into another key, and we're going to use the notes F, G, and A. So when you look at the music, we discussed in Lesson 3 that when you see beats, first you see a bar line, then you see the number of beats, and then another bar line. In between the two bar lines, we call this a measure, which is a group of beats. In the case of Merrily, We Roll Along, we have 4 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line, and then we start again, another 4 beats in a measure. So if you look down at the song, we need to determine how many measures we have in a song. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats, bar line, 1, 2, 3, 4 beats, another bar line. So we're going to count how many measures are in Merrily We Roll Along. This is 1 bar line, 2 bar line, 3, 4, 5 your bar line, 6 bar line, 7 bar line, and then 8. And the song ends with 2 double bar lines. So we actually have 8 measures in Merrily We Roll Along. And how many beats are in each measure? Well, as we discussed earlier, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats in a measure. So now we're going to practice Merrily We Roll Along. First, we're going to look at the hand placement. For the left hand, you're going to have your third finger on F, second finger on G, first finger on A. Right hand, find that group of 3 black keys. F is the thumb, G is 2, A is 3. This is your hand placement for Merrily We Roll Along. Beginning with our right hand, we're going to first play it saying the finger numbers. Ready? Begin. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Left hand, starting with A. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now this time we're going to play saying the letters, starting with A in the right hand. A, G, F, G, A and F, A and F. G, 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 A and F, A and F. Left hand. A, G, F, G, A and F, A and F. G, G, A, G, F. So in your practice this week, you want to practice it 2 ways, saying the finger numbers and saying the letter numbers.